The Wet Roof Pro 2 is the ultimate solution for testing non-conductive roof surfaces in wet conditions. But what about areas where water simply runs off? Introducing the Wet Roof Pro 2 Wet Sponge Electrode. This handy addition is perfect for testing parapets, upstands, and areas around pipe fittings. Really anywhere water can't pool or settle. Let's show you how it works. First, connect the generator to an earth point on the building using the 10-meter earth lead. This is key to setting up your testing circuit. Next, unscrew the handle section of the red pole. Attach the sponge electrode by screwing it onto the pole and ensure that the pole is connected to the red socket of the generator. For added convenience, hang the generator bag over your shoulder. It keeps your hands free and the setup portable. Power up the generator by pressing the power button, then press the menu button and select Wet Sponge Mode. It's really that simple to switch modes. Before testing, soak the sponge thoroughly with water. Make sure it's wet enough to saturate but not dripping. This ensures the best test results. Now you're ready to test. One crucial step, the area under test must be dry. The sponge is wet, but the surface must be dry for accurate results. If there's a fault or a pinhole, moisture from the sponge will pass through the surface and connect with the ground via the earth cable. This completes the circuit, and the generator will sound an audible alarm. Whenever you hear the alarm, you found a fault. Mark the location with your yellow crayon and continue sweeping the electrode over the entire surface to ensure all faults are identified. So, if you're looking for a leak detection system that covers every base, whether it's non-conductive roof surfaces, upstands, or parapets, the Wet Roof Pro 2 with the sponge electrode has you covered. For more information about this versatile kit, visit our website today.